To my YouTube channel. In this video I will be unboxing my makeup palette from Avon. Okay guys, I've already opened here before I thought of doing a video of it, so let's look at it together. Okay guys, and here it is. This one is to make it strong, and here is the carton. Okay, Avon Truth Ultimate Color Collection. Another. How many? Wow. This is the back. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Wow. Look at the color. They are very, very, very much. Is it finished? Yes. And in here I have this. It both side. One. Two. It both side also. Wow. And the colors are beautiful. Yes. I love what I'm seeing. It's beautiful. And here is her shadow. Is it two here, or I didn't know how to open it well? Wow! I said it. I thought it was. Is it finished? Oh, it's not finished. Oh, here can still. Wow! Did you see this, guys? I thought it was just like this before. Okay, I thought it was just like this before. Wow! Another one here, and another one here. Okay, I think this one is dry paint. Okay, yes, it's dried. It's dried. No, it's oil paint. I mean, leaves band. And here's the shadow. And the center one here is let's not say it. Oh, wow, they're all beautiful. It's all beautiful, guys. Can you see that? I ordered it on Thursday last week and they brought it yesterday, Monday. Okay, guys, it was very fast also. So you can see how they package it for the products not to spoil. It's beautiful. I love this color because it is not sharp. You see, it will look good on you. I love this. I have this before. It in the container. Oh, it's just dust. I got that one from Kiko before for long now, and I still have similar with this. These two. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Is it beautiful? Is it good? And the package was just too nice. This is it again. Okay, and here is the protection. Wow, they really made it well. Avon. It's nice. Okay, guys, thank you. If you love my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Thank you for always watching my video. May God bless you all. Bye bye.